Okay, we're clearly still at Glitter Central tonight. Still no cooking. Tonight is bunco night for me. Every year, well, every month, usually. I don't always go because sometimes I have other things on or I'm out of town. But every month, a group of gals and I from my old neighborhood and their children went to school with my children, play bunco. At Christmas time, we have a gift exchange. And tonight is our Christmas bunco event. We have a potluck. Given my ill health, I'm copping out and bringing shortbread, but I do like the shortbread, so that'll be good. I'm bringing shortbread, and then I found a lantern, which I'm going to put the footage up next. Well, so you can see it. Usually I make some knitwear, but this year I haven't. I'm knitting other stuff, but not anything that's Christmas bunco-y worthy. So I added some quick crochet holly leaves and berries, which I have done before, and I'll go grab I'll go grab the recipe. You know, that's what they used to call crochet and knit patterns, right? Is recipes. I'll go grab the pattern for you and cut it out. It is a portion of the Christmas pudding hat, which I will also put in the info below if you want to go buy that hat. It used to be free, but you know, this year we have to change things up a bit. But you will be getting the holly and berries for free because I'll put them in the info below, just written out for you. I've packaged it up. How do you package a lantern? Well, I used a paper gift bag. Somehow I got home with something in it or other. I folded it over, as you will see in the video, added greenery, and then this recipient is also getting one of Grayson's wood-burned slice decoration items. So 2 bits of hand doing. I always wrap my bunco gifts with greenery. I don't know why I love the greenery so much, but I do. In the UK, or at least my experience of the UK, which means David's mother, she always goes outside and she just clips tons of greenery from her yard and she puts it on top of her china closet. She puts it in the windowsills because they do have nice deep windowsills in the UK. And I don't know what it is about that I've loved, but I've always loved it. It is a British tradition that I have adopted, at least in my present wrapping, because I think it's so cool. Anyway, enjoy. You're going to get a fast forward of the wrapping process this time. Paper bag, easy as pie. And you can even make these, which is coming. We'll show you how to make a paper bag out of wrapping paper. All right, that's it for me. I'm off to bunco in my Santa baby dress that I hand stitched by hand. Last year or the year before. I think this is my 3rd year with this. And then a cardigan that I've also had for years, but you know, to keep the sparkle going, they got a little bit of blingy buttons. So that's it. I'm headed off to bunco. This will probably upload when I get back, but I hope you're having a good Advent leading up to Christmas. It's the 15th and Friday, so I hope you have parties to go this weekend. I'm looking forward to sitting on my butt and unknitting a lace shawl. That's my plan. I also have some socks on the go. But I'll see you tomorrow night with something new. Bye.